Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. Cannot run without with
So,
root user. So this is the setup we did last time,
yes, sir.
and now I'm going to log into this Elasticsearch. So let me open up my notes. Elasticsearch. So here, mm, this is the one. Let me close view window. Yeah, so got it done. Now let me check if it's running or not. So here, the directory which I was having is this one. So yeah, I'm just checking whether it's running or not. Username is this one. Connect. So Elasticsearch is not running. So let me start
Excuse me, sir.
this. Yeah.
As okay, now it's working. Your screen was stuck before. Now it's good. Thank
Okay. So now let me run this. Elasticsearch I'm running just like that, not in the background. So if any error is coming, I can see
you. Yes, sir.
that. Ubuntu. So now I'll check this command, and the password is enter. Now it's running. So now what I'll do, I will set up a Kiana today. Okay.
Yes.
So here you have how to install and set up Kiana. So this is the one of the installation which is latest one only. So I'm going for become root. Okay, and install wget. Oh sorry, this is a um, Ubuntu. So apt get installed. It's there. Now I'm going to download this guy. Okay. Now let's extract it. Done. Now after that, you have to go and modify this file in the kivana.yaml file. So let me go for this, and IP address for this machine is this one, which you have to specify. This is the IP address. So I'm going to open up Kivana under the config directory. So cd Kivana config and vi kivana.yaml. Now this is the host, and here it can run on localhost also, but if you put it up IP address, it'll be better. Done. Now this is done. You can put it up this one also, and service account token. So these are the entries. So this is done. Now you should check this out here. Um, I'll just note it down in the notes. So read this, specify the address to which the Kivana server will bind. So if you don't specify that, you cannot use IP address, mind it. IP address and host name are both valid value. the default is localhost, which is usually means remote machine will not be able to connect, to allow connection from the remote user. So set this parameter to non-loopback address. So like this. Now rest of the things, let it be same. Are you there, Raghav? Yeah. So here you have to change uh, Kiana server, Elasticsearch. So here it should be this one, and here also you change this IP address, and IP address is enter, and this should be HTTPS. Okay? Should be HTTPS, and like this you should change this. Now next thing which you have to change is service account token. So I would say this is not required because anyways you'll give it. So I'll just read this here, this third options. Okay, so here Kiana can also authenticate to Elasticsearch via service account token. Service account token are bearer style token that replace the traditional username metadata. So use token based username and this one. So here you got this, here enrollment token which you have is this one. This is the enrollment token. So service account token which you can use it here, but I think it's not needed anymore. For that you can create a more service account token, enrollment token from here. So just leave it as it is, um, like this. Now I'll save it. Okay, now what change is happening, I will just get add all, get add all. This is for the change. I want to show you the change after the starting this, what happens. So for that purpose, so it's taking time. Yeah, let me, uh, any questions so far?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'll do one thing, only add the config now and git commit -m adding, done. Git log, done. So git status, if you see config, I just want to show the version. So that is done. Now this I'm not modifying it. Okay, service token account which you can also generate it just like this. Okay, so this you can use it. There is a one more. which you can create service account token using this command. This command, you can generate a service account token. So now this you have to do in the Elasticsearch. Okay. So what will happen? I'm just if you pass this one enrollment token, this service account token will generate actually. So we'll see that. So now I'm going to start this Kiana like this. So this enrollment token, if you miss the enrollment token, you can do this again, but right now not needed. So go to the bin directory and start the Kiana. I'm not starting the background. Why? Because that way you will see the logs if there is a logs problem issues in there. So now it is running. Now we'll have to access it. So you have to access on the port number 5601. So IP address is this one, 5601. Enter. Just wait for it. This one. You can see that also. What is the status? And here, refresh. So there's one error which is coming. More or less there's no error except this one. Some warning related to security. Unable to retrieve version information from Elasticsearch node. Self-signed certificate in certificate chain. That means uh, this certificate issue is there, which we need to fix it. So how to fix it? Let me first let me check whether it's accessible or not. After that, we'll try to fix it. So far, so not coming. So now this error is our error, and for that, what is this here? Certificate issues. So certificate issues, we need to copy and do something, and what need to be done, I'll tell you. So here, just a second, I have this error problems fix. So here what we need to do, let me copy the certificate from one location to another, and for that hmm, there is one file which you need to copy. Let me just tell you. I think I had this fix somewhere but not able to recollect. So let me find out. Okay, let me pause this.
This
Pause.
conference will now be recorded.
This token you have to give inside. I'll create one new session. Ubuntu sudo -s. Now opt cd Kiana and cd config vi. Just a second. So vi config vi Kiana, and I'll go for this option which is under Elasticsearch, and okay, got it, this path here it is. So let me do this first. Service account done. Now this I'll copy in my notes for future preference, and done. Now what I'll do, I'll kill uh, this one, restarting one more time. So that one step which I missed out, I thought it's not needed, but this is still coming. Okay, so the enable to retrieve version information Elasticsearch node. So for this, just I have a fix, but give me 2 seconds. I want to try this one. Nothing is happening. Okay, so let's apply the fix. So certificate fix is here, which I created. Now this one you have to apply in that. So now again I'm killing this, enter. Now I'll go and apply this fix, Kiana, and go to the certificates. Earlier this complexity was not there, but now we have it. So this one, okay. The certificate I copied and should be okay. Now this one I am copying in here. Done. Okay, now it should be okay. So allow root. And now that is still coming. Okay, sorry. I think I did not saved it. Wait, that is still coming. Okay, let me pause this.
This conference will now be recorded.
I stopped recording actually for some reason. Anyway, so summary, in the Kiana.yaml, you have to change the host name and get the enrollment token and then start doing that. So no need to do any other stuff. I'll just update the notes and then I'll send it to you. So it'll take a few seconds more. Done. And now your this one. Username is admin and password is the one which you got it from this one. So I'll just create an image. Yeah. So password is the this one, and you'll see this password here in this chat. This is the password. So go to here. Okay. And this is install image Kiana 4. Done. So now I'm going to copy the password from the notes, Elasticsearch, and oh sorry, my bad. I copied this. Username should be Elastic, not admin. I copied wrong things. So here I'll take one more snip here, and this should be here, and this should be here. Okay, so let me Kivana 4 paste. Done. Now login. So this is your Kivana, and which is using the storage as a Elasticsearch for that purpose. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so add integration explore. This will be the final outcome, and here, and after that explore your own. So here, this is the whole things we have to discuss. Now I want to track. I spent a lot of time because of only one region, and that is I wanted to show you one thing, and that thing is I wanted to show you these changes. So git diff this file, and here if you see they have modified, look at it very carefully. So they added one line which is this is called host. Okay, service account they added, SSL certificate authority they added, and this one they added. So if actually if you are doing manually, so you have to add this one. Now you got it why I did so much of drama.
Yes, sir.
So if you are not in using this enrollment account, enrollment service enrollment, then this all this thing you have to pass it manually actually. That is the problem. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll keep it this one. Um, you set it up all this thing, get comfortable, and we'll connect next session when everyone is there, and then we'll continue setting up the rest of the things. Okay.
Sure, sounds good. Yes, for sure.
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.